Johnny Depp's team has issued a statement after Amber Heard delivered shocking courtroom testimony this week, calling it, quote, the performance of her life. His spokesperson told NBC News in a statement, as Mr. Depp's counsel correctly predicted in their opening statements last month, Ms. Heard did indeed deliver, quote, the performance of her life, unquote, in her direct examination. While Ms. Heard's stories have continued to grow new and convenient details, Mr. Depp's recollections have remained exactly the same throughout the 6 painful years since her first allegations were made. His truth, the truth, is the same no matter the environment in which it has been presented. The upcoming cross-examination from Mr. Depp's team will be most telling, and will certainly highlight the many fallacies Ms. Heard has now attempted to pass off as fact throughout her convoluted testimony. Amber Heard's team fired back in a statement to NBC News, which read, as evidenced by the statement just released, Mr. Depp's defamation claim is falling apart so rapidly that his counsel are turning from prosecutor to persecutor. They boast that Mr. Depp's story has not changed. If so, since he lost the domestic violence restraining order and he resoundingly lost the libel case in the UK, perhaps he should consider a new strategy rather than the recycled approach of attacking the victim and refusing to take responsibility for his own conduct. Heard's spokesperson continued, if Mr. Depp was truly innocent, why has he repeatedly apologized to Ms. Heard and promised to put, quote, the monster away for good, unquote. One of Ms. Heard's disappointments is Mr. Depp's inability to distinguish fact from fiction, a malady which appears to have spread to his legal team. That team is so panicked that they are fighting tooth and nail to prevent compelling evidence and photos from being introduced. Small wonder Mr. Depp does not have the fortitude or courage to even look at Ms. Heard at all throughout the proceedings, as he could not in the UK trial, and instead he doodles and snickers. Mr. Depp's behavior in this trial has been as pitiful as it was in their marriage. Apparently, they feel they must double down on their demonstrably losing two-part strategy, distract the jury and demonize the victim. The statements come after the Aquaman actress delivered shocking courtroom testimony this week, accusing her former husband of allegedly kicking her and hitting her. Depp is suing Heard for defamation over a 2018 op-ed she wrote for The Washington Post, in which she described herself as someone, quote, representing domestic abuse. The article did not mention Depp by name, but he believes it was clear that she was referring to him, because she requested a temporary domestic violence restraining order shortly after the two began their divorce proceedings in 2016. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor has denied Heard's allegations of domestic abuse, calling them, quote, heinous and disturbing. He told the court, never did I myself reach the point of striking Ms. Heard in any way, nor have I ever struck any woman in my life. But during opening statements, Heard's attorney said evidence will show she suffered domestic abuse by Depp that, quote, took many forms. The trial just dropped its 4th week, and it's expected to last several more.